folks, so that was the unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So my first impressions of this device has to be the best device that I've used for 2019 thus far. Overall performance so far is very smooth, it's very buttery, especially with this 90Hz display that OnePlus has placed on this device. There is none like it in the market, and it's gonna make a whole difference when using this device. This device is already optimized for speed, and here comes the display to put an extra layer of speed on top of what's already a very fast phone. The build quality is very nice, and it does have a bit of a heft, a bit heavier than the one from last year, but that heft is not that bad. It's not that heavy, it's not that light, it's right in between everything. So that's definitely a win. You'll definitely need to have a case on this device. It's very slippery. Overall, very beautiful device. The screen is really wonderful to look at, very sharp, very vibrant, very bright as well. And so far, yeah, everything seems rock solid here with this OnePlus 7 Pro. So I'm going to be putting this phone through its paces, performance wise, camera wise, versus other devices in the market currently. If you guys want to see me cover any aspect of the OnePlus 7 Pro, feel free to hit me up in the comments and we'll take it from there. So yeah guys, that's about it for now. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bless.